We're Sonal and Tim. We've just got back from our trip in Asia.
We're not travel vloggers, but we're going to do our best impression and show you everywhere we've been.
That's so embarrassing.
After our 2 and a bit weeks in Vietnam, we're off to Japan.
We're basing ourselves in Tokyo.
Terminal 1. It is not for Tokyo.
So our hotel was in Shinjuku, so we dropped our bags and then went to meet my friend Nick, who happens to be visiting at the same time.
Where's Sonal gone?
So of course, our first stop was the Pokémon Center in Sunshine City.
I have no clue about any of this stuff, so I'll just let Tim talk.
Yeah, I love a bit of Pokémon.
We already know that one.
Yeah, I had to stop myself buying so many Pokémon things.
Hopefully it's not a bad.
Yeah, I thought I'd have a go at the old ball vending machines and see if I can win myself some sweet Pokémon.
I'm hoping it's not something I don't actually know what it is. I like to get this thing off. Oh, what's that? Do you want that? What is that? I don't even know. Do you know what Pokemon is? I hope it's a Pokemon. Who knows? Oh, he's on there, to be fair. It's the one right there.
Yeah, the rest of the Sunshine City was pretty damn cool.
Now we can get to my favourite bit, food in Japan. This is an okonomiyaki place. I think I pronounced that right.
Something like that, yeah. Nick and Sonal are making their own dishes while I got the skilled chefs to make mine for me.
It's the experience, Tim.
Yeah, I experienced nice food.
I did too.
Yeah, this is the dish cooked by professionals.
Mine looks pretty good.
Oh, of course, you've got to mention the toilets in Japan. They are incredible. And they play tunes to you as well. Yeah, I'm so excited for this one. This is our first donkey. If you know, you know. Donkey.
It's like, oh, I don't know what you, like Woolworths on steroids.
Yeah, they sell literally everything.
I want it.
And of course, you can't visit Japan without at least going to a vending machine. And they're actually pretty good value.
I think at one point, every corner that we'd get to a vending machine and we'd buy something.
Do it to the camera. Nice. Sonal didn't come this side because she didn't care, but we care.
This is Yodabashi Akiba, the biggest electronics store in the world. Think SD cards, phones, computers, computer parts, you name it, they've got it.
Oh, look at the Google Pixel watch. I'm a Google Pixel fan. Nintendo. Look at these graphics cards. What can you see?
You.
Hello. Got myself a new DJI something rolls. Yodabashi Akiba. Yeah, this is the theme tune apparently.
This is the sound system floor.
Experiencing the full surround sound speaker system. Your dad would love this.
It's just handheld, it's compact, it's nice.
Nick loves his vacuum cleaners. What you got there, Sonal? From a vending machine.
So next we went to Akihabara to do some arcades. The Japanese were so much better than us.
All of this was leading up to us go-karting around Tokyo.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop. My face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
Still can't believe we did this. Honestly, one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life.
We can't not come to Japan and not have sushi.
Cheers. Yummy.
Of course, least possible human interaction, but the food was great.
We were on our way to Shibuya Crossing at this point, and we took the longest route ever. If you come to Japan and visit Tokyo, you cannot underestimate the amount of walking you will do. It's so big.
I think the payoff of seeing the crossing was pretty cool.
It is just people crossing the road at the end of the day.
Yeah, you can tell she's from London at the front, dodging all the people. So this was the route back to a hotel from the train station, and conveniently there was a 7-Eleven convenience store right down the road from where we live. We went every single day because they're brilliant. And here's Sonal making a 7-Eleven smoothie.
We woke up really early the next day to catch our train, our bullet train, to Kyoto.
We met Nick on board, and of course we stopped by the local shop to grab ourselves a bento box for our lunch.
We're ready for our Shinkansen adventure to Tokyo. No, not to Tokyo. We're already here. Kyoto. Was it Bento? Bento?
Yeah.
What one?
Bento.
Zoom, 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 zoom.
Yeah, you'll see the train pick up speed. They go absolutely rapid, and they're super smooth as well.
If you're ever going from Tokyo to Kyoto, definitely sit on the right side of the train because you can see Mount Fuji.
I absolutely love the doors.
See you later.
Here we are at the 1,000 Torii gates. So this is where there is a temple at the top of the mountain, and then on the way up to the mountain you pass through 1,000 Torii gates. Each of these gates are donated by families, and it also comes with some money for the Shinto shrine.
Hi there, everybody. Oh, hey.
I didn't think I was going to do any more climbing up mountains, but here we are.
Show me your ice creams, everybody. Very nice, very nice. Where's your ice cream? Oh, what did you go for?
The full lemonade one.
Super carbonated mixed drink. Nice bit of wildlife. Yummy, yummy. I'm looking cool too.
So after seeing the Torii gates, we had a little wander through Kyoto, and then ended up at a nice restaurant for lunch.
Nice bit of ramen with the best arse in the world. And what do you got?
The special.
Special ramen.
More hill walking. So what makes it so expensive? You're in Batman's lair for pottery. So after seeing fans and pottery, we ended up at the ring shop where we all got a custom-made ring made. So first up you pick your design, your metal and the finish. Then you're going to measure your finger and she bashes it into shape.
I guess yours starts off with one of these.
Yeah, it starts off as just a normal round one.
Three rings to roll them all. No, what's it? One, three for the elves. There's 9 for you, isn't it? 9 for the men.
No, 9 for the elves, 9 for the dwarves, 3 for the elves.
3 for the elves. I knew it. I've got the knowledge. 3 for the elves.
Yeah.
Look at them rings.
Then we got the tram all the way to the bamboo forest.
On the way back to the station, we wandered through a long route and stumbled across this hidden gem.
What have you got, Sonal?
I've got chicken cutlet, curry, scrambled egg.
I basically got the same, but different chicken than didn't Nick got something else. Pork and veggies. Nice. Wow. Oh, what? Oh. Well, it's not going to work now, isn't it?
You have to keep it
hold
fresh.
it, yeah. Let's try again. What's that say? The table is now keeping it. Wait faster.
After my failed attempts to win that lap for us, we went to the Robot Cafe, where they employ people with disabilities who drive the robots remotely from home to serve you food and drink.
Nice to meet you too. Bye.
We're going Korea, South Korea. Yeah.
May I chat with you here for a while?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, I'm not good English.
That's okay.
I do my best.
That's okay. Better than our Japanese.
Oh, sorry. I'm working about 2 years.
I finally found it. The Honda Civic.
So the other end of the spectrum to Yodabashi Akiba, this is Super Potato, video game paradise. We're talking retro games.
Get rid of the fridge. The whole road's closed. They got pizza too. Hey. Here come the bears.
So this is Sensoji Temple, probably butchered that pronunciation, and we got ourselves a nice reading of our future.
What we got here?
Translate that.
This is Sonal's fortune. Oh, I got regular fortune. It's just me and Nick now. Sonal's gone back to the hotel.
It's mine.
Yeah, made the most of it and had some Wagyu beef. We weren't convinced it was real Wagyu, but it was nice.
So the main activity of this day that I was saving myself for, which is why I went to the hotel, Tim, is team labs.
So if you've been following along, we did something similar in Singapore, but this is on a whole new level. So after team labs, we popped back to Shinjuku, saw the cat, and then went to my favourite store, yet again, Donki.
Donki Megastore.
Don't know what this place was, but we went here for dinner. It was like a rice, meat, and raw egg thing that you guys had, but I had fried chicken on mine.
Yeah, didn't get salmonella, so that was a plus. And of course, to round off the trip, we went for a bit of karaoke. Unlimited drinks for 2 hours. Incredible.
Whoa, I'm breaking. I feel it in my bones. Could I be wrong? The century gone. So let's forget my Wu-Tang raised you. You can't stop me. Go hard, I got me with my hobby.
This one was dedicated to the Sonal mystery that's in the house tonight. Oh yeah! We're finally having tempura
In Japan.
at the airport.